Ciao tutti and welcome to another video. So for today I wanted to have a small little project because I'm pretty busy, let's say, with all the movement to a new apartment, and I had a lot of busy week at work. So, and my son is gonna start soon, kindergarten soon, so new school, everything is new. It's gonna be tough. Anyway, bear with me. So I decided to have a small little project here today, and I was using my mini art journal page, mini art journal that I wasn't used for a while. This is usually a journal that I'm putting together just some small technique, and then a quote. So it's a quote journal, I have to say. So I'm putting there lately, as you saw, I think last video. I like to use the sponge, so this one is the same. So I'm gonna use just the light pink, baby pink, and darker pink, the rose, I think is the rose color. Yes, I'm gonna put all the color in the description or in the video as well. So after that I wanted to use the stencil again that I purchased the last time to Michael's. It was a pack of three little stencils. Those are from T-Malls, and I love the stencil, but I'm really not satisfied with that. This is even worse than the other one that I used before. So the point is that there are, I mean, the thing that is in between the picture, so that we leave, let's say, the empty space when you put the color on top, is really too thin. So if I use the acrylic paint, then it's gonna mess everything. You will not see anymore the design. So yeah, I'm usually use the stencil with acrylic paint, so maybe I need to switch with something else. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm trying to use this one in a different way, so I'm trying to get use of this. So basically I decided to put the design there just using the pencil. I mean, this is just a glitter pen. And the other one was the gold acrylic marker. So in the end I wanted to have this design on the bottom of the page to the right, and then on the other side, on the top left of the page, basically. So kind of giving this movement, let's say, to the eye, so then you have something interesting in the background. So I'm not adding any other color to this page, so I'm gonna have some gold and some pink, basically, and some white, and you will see later on. But then just after doing this, that it took a while, to be honest. You know, I mean, using the stencil in this way is not really the best, I think, but yeah, whatever. Again, I'm not satisfied at all. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm gonna choose a new one soon, I guess. I really need to find something better. So after doing that, I decided to just go around with just put the clean line all around the design with the gold marker, and also with my trustful Posca pen in white. And that's gonna be basically give, I think, a bit more let's say the design will be a bit more visible, because right now it's pink versus pink, it's too dark and it's a bit fading each other. So I decided to add this white part with the Posca, and I decided also to add also some part really all in white. And even if the Posca marker is white, I mean, you can still, if I just do one layer, you can still see the background that is pink, and that was the idea. So in the end it's a kind of light pink color became, let's say. So having done this part with the design of the page, then I just focused on my quote, because this is my journal. This is a quote journal, so the focal point is a quote, basically. And the quote of today is: bad vibes don't go with my outfit. I don't know why I choose this one, but I like it because, I mean, I like the design. So this is the outfit of the page, basically. And so that's it. That's the quote. Usually I'm choosing the quote from Pinterest, but this one really stood up. I think it was perfect for the page, let's say, at least in my mind. So I just using for the quote, I'm using the gold marker, acrylic marker that I really love, and I decided to put the words in different styles. So I have like capital letter, I have cursive letter, I try to do modern style calligraphy in my way, let's say. Anyway, I'm trying to do this one, and I put also some doodling around. And then I cut everything with keeping the white border and glue everything down with the matte medium. And basically that's it. The page is mainly done, but I wanted to add some small additional factor. So I did also in the previous project, and I like it so much, so I decided to use again the Stabilo pencil and put some shadow on the words that I glued down. I think this gives so much depth to the word, and it's not like all the words are just stuck there, but it's giving a bit of depth. Kind of, that's the idea. So as always, the Stabilo pencil, if you don't know, is just it's a nice pencil, but then you can activate the color using a clean brush. Just dip in the water and go around, and this is gonna move the color, and it's gonna give this nice black, intense black that I really like it. And yeah, that's the magic of Stabilo. I think if you don't have, just really give it a try. It's wonderful. So that's it for the page. Here are some close-up picture in the end again, and I'll put also some video of the last video, and some other additional mini art journal playlist here in the end in the screen. And see you soon for next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.